Good day everyone, you are welcome to my chemistry class. Now today we want to explain to us writing chemical formulae. So how do we write a chemical formula? Sometimes you see things like this. Why do we have this in this way? Some we have two, some we have one. This will be explained from valency. Now, what is valency? Valency is defined as the combining power of an element. And we must understand that the difference between valency and oxidation number is this. In valency, we don't have charge, but in oxidation number, there is always charge attached to it. So now let's examine this. Now we have sodium and we have chlorine. Now these two elements here form sodium chloride. Now what is the configuration of sodium? It is 281 and chlorine is 287. Now from here, sodium here is having one electron in the outermost shell, so it is easy to transfer it. So because it is transferring only one electron, it becomes 1. Remember, in valency, you don't put charge. And because chlorine is collecting one electron, also, it needs 1. So one electron is needed for chlorine. So in this case, the next thing you have to do is to exchange the power to become a base. We are exchanging power to become a base. So we have sodium having 1, chlorine having 1. So this one here becomes invisible. So we have sodium chloride. So this is how this is formed. Now let's move to calcium chloride. We have calcium and we have chlorine. Two elements as well. So here, calcium is 2, 8, 8 and 2, and chlorine is still 287. So here, it has 2 valence electrons. So that means it is donating 2 electrons. So it becomes 2 here. And chlorine needs only 1 to complete its outermost shell. Remember, in the first shell we have 2, second shell we have 8. So here we have 1, and the next thing is to exchange the power to become a base. We now have chlorine 1, we have calcium 1, chlorine 2. So this calcium 1 here becomes invisible. We now have calcium chloride, because this is just one atom of calcium and 2 atoms of chlorine. The base will mean atom. So we have 2 atoms of chlorine and 1 atom of calcium. Now let us look into the last one we have there. We have magnesium oxide. So how do we form magnesium oxide? Okay, let's see. Now for magnesium oxide, we have magnesium and oxygen. This is 2, 8 and 2, and this is 2, 6. So here is having 2 valence electrons. So because of that, it's donating 2 electrons. So it becomes 2 here. And oxygen needs 8 to complete its outermost shell. But what we have here is 6. So it needs 2 to be added to the 6 to form an octet structure. So that 2 will come here. And what do we do here? We exchange power to become base. We have this. So these 2 can cancel these 2. We have magnesium oxide. So this is how chemical formula is formed. So in our next class, we'll be looking into how we name a chemical compound. So please, don't just watch this alone. You can share to those who need it. Please like, share, and comment. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.